Hey guys, Austin with Measure Square here, and in today's video, we'll be diving into the bids document. We'll walk you through how to navigate to the bid section and give you a closer look at the different screens and how to make the most out of our templates. When you first open the bids document, you'll find yourself in the worksheets section. Here, you can review and adjust your pricing and quantities. We'll cover this topic in more detail in another video. The middle section is for our customer and document information. This section also includes inclusions and exclusions, files, photos, or diagrams, and various notes along with terms and conditions. And lastly, we have our bid preview. This allows you to easily rearrange elements and create a format that suits your business. To begin customizing the design, simply click the Design button located at the top right corner. At the top of the design screen, we get a lot of familiar options, such as changing the text and background color, or adding bold or italics. We can also include images and tables, and we also have a tool that'll help separate your sections. On the right, we have our toggleable settings. We can hide or display product information, switch from portrait to landscape, or shorten our bid to the main flooring products, or even a lump sum. Back at the top, we can add content to our bid. I can include more people in the document, or add in another section for contacts. With a little elbow grease, you can go from this to this, and we can save it for use later by making it into a template. This can overwrite an existing template or be created as a new template. The middle button that says Manage Templates will change which template we would like to use or set as default. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I'll see you in the next one.